Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video I will show you some of the free watch faces that you can try out on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. So starting off with the first watch face, this watch face is available with the name of Green Classic. This is a really cool looking watch face and it is minimal design. And if you talk about the further customizations, so there are no further customizations available with this watch face. But the green background colors and the fonts are really looking awesome with this watch face, and this is how the watch face looks like in the always on display mode. So do check out this watch face as this is available for free in the Play Store app of your Galaxy Watch. Now talking about the next watch face, so this is available with the name of IWF Pilot Pro SE. This watch face has a great design and you can also further customize it by simply long pressing the center and then clicking on this customize button. The customizations available are only limited, you can only change the colors with this watch face. There are some limited options of the colors to choose from, you can choose the color you like. Overall the design of this watch face is really cool. And if you talk about the always on display mode with this watch face, so this is how the watch face looks like in the always on display mode. So you can try out this watch face as well, this is also available for free in the Play Store app of your Galaxy Watch. So recently there were some new watch faces released with the Galaxy wearable app that you guys might be missing out, so let's check them out. So in the analog minimal there is this new watch face of classic minimalist, and if you scroll down we have some other watch face like fluid number. So you can also download this watch face from here by simply clicking on this watch face. And in the informative option we have this new ultra info board. This has all the information of your watch in a single watch face. Next we have another watch face with a cool animation in the background and it is with the name of flower. So let's download these watch faces and check them out. So the first watch face is downloaded and it is available with the name of fluid. This watch face has really cool animation if you will tap anywhere or in any corner. I really like this watch face. And talking about the always on display mode, so this is how the watch face looks like in the always on display mode. Now let's talk about the ultra info board watch face. So this watch face is also really cool as it has all the information available, the time and the heart rate, the compass, the weather, also the sunrise and the sunset time is available with this watch face. So if you're someone who want to keep a track of your recent activities, so this watch face is for you. And this is how the watch face looks like in the always on display mode. Talking about the further customizations with this watch face, so you can add some shortcuts to this watch face. You can also change the background color of this watch face as well. There are multiple color options to choose from that you can choose directly from here. Also the clock font is also changeable. There are multiple color options available, but my favorite is this orange one. Now let's move on to the next watch face, which is available with the name of flowers, and this watch face has really cool animation when you will turn this watch face on. Also whenever you will tap in the center, this will change the color of the flower as well. There are multiple flower colors available. Talking about the further customizations, so you can add the shortcuts from here. Also you can change the clock type from here. There are two clock types available. And also there are 3 designs of the background available to choose from. You can choose the design you like the most. And talking about the always on display mode, so this is how the watch face looks like in the always on display mode. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the watch faces that you can try out on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. If you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.